Here I have PHILIPS Xenium X818 and let me show you how to accomplish here using the top tricks on the following device. Let me show you the best tips on the following smartphone. At the very beginning, let me show you how to easily change the font size. All you need to do right now is find and select the settings. Here I have settings. Then choose here display, and here you should find font size. As you can see, you can make your font size larger, or you can choose small font size if you would like to. In my case, let me use the default one, the normal, and let's go next. Let me show you the scheduled power on and off. It's really useful right here in settings. At the bottom of the list you've got scheduled power on and off. For example, you can switch on your device every day at 7 AM and switch off your device, for example, every weekday at 10:30 PM. Here you can choose your day, so let me use the weekday, and that's it. Let's go back. Here you can enable this feature, and you can use as simple as that this scheduled power on and off. Let's go next and let me show you the power center. Here, if you go back to the main screen, you can choose power center. As you can see here, we've got a few information about your battery. You can use your device for 6 hours. Here we've got the remaining battery percentage. Here we've got your standby, and here you can use and read the following information. You can also use the following menu key, for example, to choose power saving. You can use some customized power saving. You can also use here X power. So here you can read more about this X power mode. So that's it. Let's go back. Now let me show you the next trick. Let me show you the magnification. Here let me find settings, select accessibility, choose magnification gesture. Let's enable this feature. And now if you triple tap on the screen, you can magnify your screen. You can change the position by using 2 fingers, and you can triple tap to quit magnification. So that's it. Let me show you now the last trick. So let me show you how to enter the hidden mode called safe mode. All you need to do is use power key, hold down on power off, and tap OK to reboot to safe mode. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, as you can see, this is the safe mode, so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's just simply press power key, choose reboot, and tap OK to confirm it. That's it. So now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.